In today's video, we're taking a look at how to replace a battery from a smoke detector, easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. So you woke up today, tonight, this afternoon, yesterday, and you hear and feel like a bird is running wild in your home. You hear all this chirping everywhere you go. You know you're not going crazy, or at least you think so. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. The first line of defense that you can use is pressing the button. If you notice on your smoke detector, there's a button. It's kind of like a pause button. Don't bother me now, it's just the pizza in the oven burning. And what this does is once pressed, it would pause, depending on your smoke detector, the chirping or the alarm sound when it detects smoke. And depending on your smoke detector, it can do it on intervals from 1 minute all the way up to 10 minutes. Meaning when that time is up, it's gonna start the process again. And that wild bird is gonna be loose, doing what it does best, waking you up in the middle of the night. But let's say you wanna end this tyranny, and once again, you wanna become the king, queen, both or none of your castle, and show it who runs this jungle. So depending on your smoke detector, we can go about it two ways. You can remove the smoke detector from the wall if your particular one is not hardwired to the home, and you remove it by twisting it to one side, and you would notice that it would come loose. In other smoke detectors, you can press on the little lever to open the latch or door and have access to the battery. In others, you do have to twist so the door could open. But remember, you want to hold it down with one hand so it won't fall on your head, or if it's hardwired to the home so you won't disconnect it. Now that we filled your brain with data, information, we're ready to remove the battery from its location. How to put the battery back, you can follow the same way that you took it out, or just by looking inside, you can see which side has the bigger hole and which one the small one. Or you can see the positive sign or the negative sign, and like that, look at your battery and see which goes which. In our case, we see the big hole to the left and the little one to the right, meaning that the big connector goes on the left and the small connector goes on the right. And usually the small one is the positive and the big one the negative. And a pro tip, using rechargeable batteries is the way to go. Links in the description if you're interested on the ones that we show on the video. We've been using these for a few years without issues, and now we're ready to insert the battery. Either if you do it right on the wall, or you remove the whole smoke detector and do it in the comfort of your couch, it is the same technique. Now you can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. You can finally get a full night's sleep. You've conquered the dimensions of this world and the other. Don't forget, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, that really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.